much horsepower are you running?
07?
She's 757 to the wheel.
How's it going?
Too hot.
It's hot. It's hot. Yeah.
Oh, it's fucking way too hot.
Yeah. How many runs you doing today?
Who knows?
Okay.
This is only my second one.
Yeah, yeah.
I've only had the one so far.
Yeah. How are you doing?
10.9.
10.9s?
Yeah, at 129.
I got your last one.
But it was just, like I say, it's just too hot.
Yeah, yeah.
The air is no good.
Yeah. It is what it is, eh?
DA is right about 2,700 feet right now.
Okay.
So.
Yeah. All right. Well, we'll see how you do in this one.
Yeah.
Not a bad run, sir. 10.9?
10.90.
10.9. It's
Slower
fine.
though, at 127.
Yeah, yeah.
Mile an hour is way off, and here's what it is.
Yeah, it is what it is. Alright. Basically, I'll wait till you start the car and that's where it is, eh?
Yeah, yeah. I'll let her cool down till then, that's for sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
She picks up a lot of heat.
Yeah.
Especially day like today, it takes forever to cool down.
Yeah. Alright.
But yeah, I'm shocked at how much the mile an hour is down.
Yeah, yeah. Just because of the heat, eh? Yeah. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
No worries.
Oh, it winds. Whoa.
Woo. 17 pounds of boost in it.
Yeah.
Where'd you get the work done?
The motor was built up in Vaughan by a company called Thunderz.
Hey, he's going to those guys.
That's where I'm doing my work.
Yeah, yeah.
I can't complain at all with the build of the motor. The motor's been rock solid.
Yeah, yeah.
Very nice.
Internals and everything.
I run this thing at the track. I go down the track, I change the tires. She's
Yeah.
run 10.3 at 140.
10.3.
Wow.
Full
Okay.
weight.
Wow.
And my goal next week, hopefully, this thing will see a 9 next weekend.
Yeah. Wow.
I'm going to run front skinnies on it next week, along with the new set of ET Street R's. And, that's about it, though.
That's amazing.
So if you don't mind me asking, like because I'm doing almost the same sort of build.
Yep.
How much would it take to put into it, like money-wise?
I had the motor itself. I sent him up basically a bare block with stock pistons in it. Is what I give to him. No timing cover, no nothing. I got everything done for 14 grand.
That's good.
Pistons, rods, cranks.
That's amazing.
Heads. I run 8 Eagle heads on this. But he does some custom work on the heads, so we're running bigger exhaust.
I heard it's a very reputable shop.
Well, I run bigger exhaust valves on this. It's a very efficient motor.
Yeah, I bet.
Let's put it that way. His biggest thing is efficiency. This thing here, I shift at 7,000 RPM.
7,000
That's what
RPM.
it shifts at.
Wow.
And
Okay.
We're probably going to be able to turn that up next year because the fuel system, I need to upgrade the fuel system now.
Yeah.
We're basically lean out at 7,000 RPM now, but this thing should be able to shift around 7,400 next year.
Really? Okay. What, pump gas? 94?
Straight pump gas.
Straight pump gas. Yeah.
I don't run no nitrous, no meth, no nothing.
Yeah. Okay. Any track?
You think like 35K for this build or 40K or?
With the blower and everything?
Yeah, everything. 40.
Oh Christ! The blower. If you're talking a new blower, you're probably talking $10,000-$12,000 just for the blower.
Yeah.
And I mean, I don't know. I had it built during the worst time you could build it was during COVID.
Oh yeah, prices are up. Yeah.
Parts took forever to get here.
Prices are up.
I waited almost 7 months to get pistons for it.
Oh, yeah. That makes
It's
sense.
just one thing after another during COVID.
Yeah.
But Ned, the guy that builds the motors there, the guy he's kind of a quirk. He'll talk your head off.
Yeah.
But the son of a bitch knows what he's talking about.
Oh, yeah, I bet.
Yeah, I heard it's a very good shop there. So I'm happy I'm going there. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, he used to be big in the LS world.
Yeah.
That was where the Chevy stuff is what he started out with. And then he started getting into the Hemi stuff.
Yeah.
And he actually come to me at the track. I was running stock bottom end with an Edelbrock blower on this. I was around 600 wheel horsepower with the Edelbrock.
Yeah.
And he says, well, what do you think if we can get like red-eye power out of a 5.7?
You're nice.
So one thing led to another. We started talking, and the next thing you know, he's building a motor.
Yeah. Fair enough.
And it's a stock stroke. It's not a stroker. It's just board 20 over. But like I say, I've upgraded the fuel system in it twice now.
Yeah.
And we're going to do that a third time.
Any tranny work? Transmission?
The only thing done to the transmission is a valve body.
Yeah. Okay.
The guy that I got the valve body off of, he's got guys running 9.5s at 150 mile an hour on the stock nag one.
Yeah.
And I'm running stock converter, all stock components on this.
Yeah.
Other than the valve body.
Rear end too?
Rear end is out of a 2012 SRT, so
Nice.
it's just a 306 get rag.
Yeah.
That's probably my weak link at the moment. Drive shaft was a weak link last year. I twisted the drive shaft off it last year.
Yeah.
And that was in Cayuga, which was kind of a nightmare.
Yeah.
But it is what it is. I mean, once you start getting up into this kind of horsepower,
You start to find the limits.
you definitely find things out.
Yeah.